haven't hit it already. Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gon' launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. Never rock when I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block, man, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, think I'm nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm a high, rock, bitch, watching. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch, profit. Spitting hot shit, I'm topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Get back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, no react, no react. Think I'm black, drop his back, while I rap, not to step. No attack, give a crap, we're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands, goddamn. I'm a rhyme till I die, never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy, get the God that I'm right, yeah. Do it cause I'm in the zone and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One go, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what did you rate me? All the social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, looking for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time, bad from my 9 to 5. Taking back my fucking life, I just wanna feel alive. Let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters playing tracks. Got the passion in depth when it happens. Factions take actions, drafting their captains. It's happening. I'm raising my status, facing the madness. I'm out gaining traction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask it, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, backslid, playing into habits. So I'm a fucking capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast it. They will never last it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They phone effects, yeah bitch.
Ada bangku ha. Aceh. Mau cari licin. Licin bola. Ah, lagi bolanya.
nggak ada air semua bos.
Air.
Si Black juga dibahas. Yang nggak main ngapain dibahas. Bisa tengok dengar ya. Duel apa gue?
Mana mau ada duel? Tangannya tuh. Sakit lagi. Kanan.
Ini. Kesini Alfa.
Sambut. Oke.
Bola edge bang.
Balik Vicky. Depan. Bola jauh.
Wah, hasil kasih aja. Bisa main ini. Dia ini coaching tapi tenang aja.
Siapa?
Adik siapa ini?
Si Bibi, adik Bagas.
Kita kaki dia kan. Parah agaknya. Penalti. Niko. Pas, mantap.
Gak ada reboundnya.
Mana rekamnya? Mana?
Di atas.
Ini?
Iya.
Ini rekaman.
Itu foto.
Tata kuat.
Ini rekam nih. Rekam ini sebelah ini.
Ini udah rekam.
Udah rekam ini bisa rekam.
Mana?
Ini Kapten Isap dia. Kapten Isap dia. Dia orang keren Indonesia lah. Bukan. Abdi itu 2006 ya? Kalau Katara dong. Niko. Targetnya ya. Kuat sekali. Kuat. Lari Bu. Tenang tuh.
Ya, minum deh.